Alright, last day. We're going to do the Crypts, Bones, and Catacombs tour, underground Rome. Crypts, Bones, and Catacombs. I like that.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't.
Alright, we weren't allowed to film in there because it was a holy place, but we just left the Covenant of the Cappuccini. And they have like all these crypts in the bottom where they stacked up and made art out of the bones of all their monks. They're kind of like monks, but they're not monks. But all their cappuccinis that died, they had to bury them. They ran out of room to bury them, so they resurrected all the bones and started making art out of them so they could stack them all up. It's pretty cool.
Now but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace.
We're at the Catacombs of Saint Sebastian.
This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home.
Alright, we weren't allowed to video in the catacombs either, but we're in the church. And they just said that really cool Jesus statue they lost for like a bunch of years, and they just found it in somebody's basement 20 years ago, just across the street, just chilling. So this church is pretty nice. There's Saint Sebastian's tomb over there also.
I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was.
That thing with the hole in it is what remains of an aqueduct built by Nero.
Convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, you know I wanted.
The proof that this place used to belong to a rich family. Because they had money to pay an artist to make the decoration, to get the
to stay, caught us off guard.